Chiwivang awi ming aina vareli gazanga psychorally arila kala adam gajida anohi mishapa. Kikala jila ana atumivang vareli payet mi jinga. Hepru now gabi gasang shini duija maguda panga. Remake up the ajiwi kamadaya baobing. District Administration na thanda Ukhruli Community Participation Week makok mi haira. Ito mi abam hi shinaw kala national being safe kasa abam nga sa kawai kasat haira. Manipur Relief Camps li leida klebing shim hanung kawai shorgar li kangakaw rayli zat haira. Rayli janbaw ki kawai zat kasa baw me akali police na assault sada makhamaya pongshok haira. Lekhyang athor aje the Tangkul Expressway bao inji shankhui ina ba midale bao bing meisai na ngnang rumsa. District Administration na thanda Ukhruli Community Participation Week we angran angaye makhok mi haira. Ukhrul District Administration na Integrated Child Development Services ICDS District Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW kala One Stop Center OSC ling shikda Community Participation Week G ngajam hall District Hospital Ukhruli aya khigaya. Angran angaye ji Sun Gulp Hill 100 Days Spatial Awareness Campaign we akai akasada khigagana. Ukhrul with Deputy Commissioner Kengu Zuringla na kahang Yari Wivang gala Matayla kay na kangazan na Bing Wivang Mashun Kirami kawai Saikoro na ngashigda ot sagi gachina. Chiwivang Delos Saikoro lila angran angayay jili hogasang na ji. Ito mi society hi shinaw gala National Bing Wivang safe kasa abam ngasang sa kawai police li report sa kawai Saikoro li gazum sanga. Kala police na la janbaw kamewe majud mapong mi kawai yang sang rano da hanga. Ito mi alongli shinaw kala shivu shivanaw li kayom ato mi dongli mi jam mi ramma kaning otsa kasa leya. Kala jiwi nga jay li yom gasaji victim na shitgasang mina kasala leya. Kala atomli ka shock jiwi aina ningli la atomi mirinli sa gazuji hang kawai malay mana gaji hangda yang sang kami ka gadomi kawai social welfare azingli one stop center OSC District Hospital Ukhrul we alongli hai midaleya da kengu zuringla na hangsanga. Ang ran ang yeji Ukhrul we ADM kajay kai gangmei ADC CEO David Kashungnaw Additional SP Ringting Hongji Ukhrul District Hospital CMO Dr. Gabangring A. Shimray, MS Dr. Risang Mirai Khan, SCO Din Ringam Gamay, SCO BO Riyamay Jangmay, Ukhrul Women Police OC, SI Mina Vashum Kala, District Hospital with Staff Ping, OSC, ICDS with Mibingla Wadzanga. Ukhrul One Stop Center OCS with Central Administrator John Jui Rinmayo Luitui Nakahang Center Ji Mission Shakti Integrated Women Empowerment Program Ministry of Women and Child Development with Azingli Hai Kamina Ukhrul District with OCSG 2019 Tadraha Gajang with Aina Otsara Shumda Jiwi Alongli Center Jili Cases Shaka Trada Gtum Tasanga Kala cases hagasang ji twiga hai zingum khani we alongli chungasang thekhuya ji Kala shaka trada gutum cases ta hangda khaleji phone na ngagaw khara distress calls mazangla ka hangna ji Complaints la issues kachungaja domestic violence we maram na da hanga Ukhrul we one stop center na yangsang kami hi emergency response kala rescue services medical assistance FIR NCR DIR we facilitate lodging psychosocial counseling legal aid ina counseling higata hi miya Nawngra national zangda sangmei thuida ngaya phanga thang yin khui khangasak la leyaji One Stop Center hina matayla kaina shinaw kala shibunaw bing we mashun nga kami la center jili khara shinaw bing li kagatom kami na OSC guideline atisure da OSC Ukhrul nala NGOs academic institutions yari kala CBOs bing ling shikda otsaya da hanga John Jui Rinmayo Luitui na kahang sender li kharashinaw tara khana cases sakla ka hai ngasalala police li mawa khangai leya kala complaints matha sang khangai leya athum dara kha mina madui or thekhui gi gaji stigmatization wi khangaji gala shimkhor wi pressure le hawa kala customary law wi issue la leya da hanga ithumi mayonza saikori hi nguya gaji maning mana kha shinauli khayom kashong kharang cases liver state sponsored justice administration chongkhawa phamira da khuya gaji administrator jina hanga kahara ngarawi bangli domestic violence ka shock tharan shinaw bingdara kha lansin kahara li jihanau da karot maninga kha police li makhawa leya da hangsanga Community Participation Week angaran angayeli gazang bingjina One Stop Center Building District Hospital Ukhrul Complex Livada staff pingli khrachan kasa sambanga Ukhrul District OCS hina District li khale adui ara saikor aina center chui maram ngyaumi yaji Jithada language hi advocacy wi inclusive tools ada shigachin wiwang World Health Organization na Kirorimal College Delhi University survey gasali Ukhrul wi center jila mathami thui gaji OCS majut sampanga Relief camps li leida claibing shim hanung kawai sarkar li khangakaw Manipur wi internally displaced persons IDPs ping na release at haira IDPs pingji more churachandpur kala abam nga day da wi ina shok ngarok da athum shim hanung khawai mangran mi khrer sarkar li protest sa haira Rayli ji jingri ina hawpoka kha singjamai shong Rayli gazat athum li ngathan nga sa khawai bullies na smoke bombs der gas shells kala rubber bullets kap da ngawunrop sakhiya Jili khangarugli IDPs pingala paume bingla saje ka hai baw samphanga Protesters pingwi atishur da rod kamara chili mi tharaga da saje hawa IDPs tarakhana athum shim hanung khawai mashun leya gaji khangabaw ainang soda Manipur li Assam Rifles mahai khawai la NRC implement sa khawai la boya athumna khaya gashi aina shim hanung ngaya da ngabaw haira Relief camps li privacy akhala malayla sarkar wi samaina daljina karan kha ringwa fura khala da athumi ga jot kala ningyang makhu ung phongshok ka IDPs pingjina kahang athum jitha da relief camp li ringda khaleji athumna sayon ga hai wiwang maningla sarkar wiwang aina ra ka shokna Kashak gazawi wang khongphei khongphang sing laga line ling aning da lei gaji hangda athumi mirin phatop li gazang sa haira gaji churachandpur wi IDP akhana hanga sarkar na luba khanga jon khami jila mathada mami mana marakhali mami mana da akhana hangsanga sarkar na relief camps wi ka shok gazang wi wang paisa gror da haira jiya kha athumna ji ning gajang maning mana IDPs pingna kachija wi shim han khu ung ning gajang na da phongshok kachija wi shim li okthui da kachija na ngalang pheilaga khaya ga aina okthui ngaya da relief camp wi khanui thot akhana hangsanga Bungba Kulen Kamjong li khale Kharar Nausan wi shim Old Age Heavy Home li Assam Rifles 8 AR Battalion nang John Khami wi wang Old Age Home Association Kamjong na ninggashi phongshok haira Assam Rifles jina shim jili regular Sunday visits wada jina ningkhalum samphang saga gaji Old Age Heavy Home mi minga nin bingna gabi shokga Battalion jina Kharar Nausan bing jili jana kashai gala kankhana wajur ngada day da khwiwami da jili ka bombing jina kankhana gear sambang khawai yangsang mimi jia da hanga Kamjong Downli Old Age Home gathar sem khawai phekar la khwimi da kanala ka hai ngayin shim Battalion jina khwiramiya khala khalem aina medical aid routine medical desk mimi jia Khanga John Darkar Kasa Kharanau Bingjili Kankhana Advice Lamia Old Age Heavy Home Jina Ningashi Pongshoga Kamjong District we Abam Gatailila Karam Aina Marangwi Alongli Paiko Humithana Nambisha Grihang Kamjong Kongkan Rian Aishi Chatrik Kulan Aina Zet Choro Lila Jigata Ot Ngurut Kwimi Hairada Hangsanga 8 AR Battalion Karanausan Bingjili Ashiwi Headquarterly Pazat Ngaran Mida Kayagashi Gajite Security Aina Yariwi Abonga the Data Kangasan Kwigamiya the Chiwi Wangla Ningashi Pongshoka Rakara Adamlila 8 AR Battalion Ling Shikba Ferragaji Pongshokda Atumna Yari Lig Dom Kamiji Sakta Kwiyagaji Old Age Heavy Home Jina Gabi Shoka 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly Session Week Khania Zimik Shotang Maram nga Day the Widungli Opposition Naina Ruling Party nga Yat Haira Public Services, Infrastructure, Police Recruitment Kala Kadam Gashu Maramli nga San Haira Shongfu Week Conditions Matada Makhalay Kala Service Matada Mikhavai Resource Allocation Maramli nga San Haira Police Promotions Kala Recruitment Process Li Mushun Makui Aina Sakavai Kala Transparent Kasa System Lay Kavai nga Zek Haira Kala Police Promotions Vivang Rarik High Guidelines Aina Merit Based Evaluations High Kamiwi Kan Kana Maram nga Sanna Yari wi kan kana mabung pada yang sang kawai kala governance matha kawai departments nga day da wi alongli matha da khangashik wi darkar kasa maram nga sanna Mental health kala nga khakati masho kawai suicide prevention wi bongli la nga sanda hiwi wang support systems kala community awareness khalai darkar saya gajing nga san kahai ID bau sambhanga Internally displaced persons, IDPs being with really Janbao Kay Kavaizat Gasa, Baumeli Bulis na assault Gasawi Bang, Makamaya Pongshok Haira. RC Mangang Gaho, Impact TV reporter li Manipur Bulis na assault Sahawaji. Ana journalist na da hanglala, Bulis na Mataymila, Banga Hawaji. Police we otsak jili all Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju Gala, Editors Guild Manipur, EGM na Makamaya Pongshok da protest rally zat haira. Paumeli assault kasa Sub-Inspector Nikhil Singh Witungli kasaga action quick bo haira. Paumeji Imphal East Akambad Relief Camp Bamwi rally IDPs aina Police Road Kamrat Adamli zat kasana. RC Mangang na a journalist na da Majut Jitailala Sub-Inspector SH Nikhil Singh na Ali Madi Pangashi da Shirmi Hau awi Yashong Makhali Sadzegala awi Fon la Kai Hawaji. Ocho Chili Ali Service Weban Ainala Adek Sayaji. Amju gala EGM na Adek Sajili condemn sada police we accountability demand sa haira. EGM aina Amju mi bingna Manipur Breast Club we aina Chief Minister we Bangalo Zadvada Sub-Inspector SH Nikhil Singh li Odbam we aina Kwishok Kawai po haira. Maram hiwiwang atumna Chief Minister li memorandum misangra da leya. Manipur we veterinary arishang bingli Dr. Odbam Hangtarukada hangdale. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly gazip karetang Veterinary and Animal Husbandry with Minister Kushim Vashumna House Li Kahang Atishurda Veterinary Hospitals Li Doctors Hangturuk Kala Staff Tinka Hangpangada Pangawi Odbam Hangdale Maram hi MLA Shyam Kumar na Kangahan Li Minister Jinang Hangaga Gasana State Li Veterinary Hospitals Hangpangada Pangagala Dispensaries Shaka Jiko Leyaji Doctors Leida Kalenga Jaili, Shaka Hangturukda Gatumna Sanction Boss Kala, Shaka Gatumna Man in Position, Tinkani Hang Medida Akana Sanction Staff Boss Kala, Shajiko Hangjishada Turukna Man in Position di Layada Hanga. Odbam Hangda Kalay Bingji, Jibui Kavaisa de Layada Minister Jina Hanga. MLA Shyam Kumar na Health Services Maramli Langhanda, Health Minister Sabam Ranjan Nakahang, State Hili Primary Health Sub-Centers Shamadi Hangturukda Khani, Primary Health Centers Hangjishadda Khani, Urban Primary Health Centers Tarada Khani, Community Health Centers Magu, Subdivision Hospital Akha Kala, District Hospitals Shini Leidale. Kala Health Relief Staff Odbam Tingatum Maguda Madi Kada Hangdale Gji Minister Ranjan Hanga RD and BR Minister Y Kemjan Nakahang Gajang Tumrada Kaniga Bangahai Banjayat election hi Arihon law and order situation hi wivang in a Magasana Ka state cabinet na Makatrada Gutumtang Dulep Kwikahai Atishurda Banjayat election G B Gajang Lisara the minister na hanga Jiwi Atishurda 6 General Panchayat Election Wivang State Election Commission li schedule ngaran kawai hanghai rajia. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Nakahang Government Employee Zingum Hangturukwi Aina Hangturuk da Kani Service Adam Kasay Sangi Gaji Policy Malay Ranga Ka Maramji Shorkar na Yang Sangdalaya da CM na Hangsanga Retired Employee Bingwivang GBF Gratuity Group Insurance Pension Communication Leave Encashment Higata hi mamila banda claim maramli ngahanda Chief Minister Nakahang Pensionary benefits with total pending amount lupa 808.17 crore kada mishokita leya. Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms 7th Amendment Bill 2022 zangda Governor Nakamayami Gahai Bill Maguda Panga Assembly li Blaze Sahira Bill Maguda Panga Bingji Manipur Appropriation Number 1 ina Number 2 Bill 2022 The Code of Criminal Procedure Manipur 3rd Amendment Bill 2022 The Manipur Panchayati Raj 8th Amendment Bill 2023 Manipur Staff Selection Commission Bill 2022 Manipur Goods and Services Tax 5th Amendment Bill 2022 Manipur Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2022 Manipur Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management 4th Amendment Bill 2022 The Manipur Appropriation Number 4 Bill Number 2022 la Zanga Manipur Hill Areas District Councils 6th Amendment Bill 2022 Manipur Properties in Open Places Prevention of Defacement and Disfigurement Bill 2023 Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2023 Kaina Temple Board Bill 2023 Thana Manjuri University Amendment Bill 2023 Manipur Town and Country Planning 5th Amendment Bill 2023 Manipur Municipalities 11th Amendment Bill 2024 The Manipur Appropriation Number 1 in Number 2 Bill The Manipur Names of Places Bill 2024 Manipur Prevention of Malpractices in High School Living Certificate and Higher Secondary Examination Bill 2024 Manipur Labor Laws Exemption from Renewal of Registration and License by Establishments Bill 2024 Manipur Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management 5th Amendment Bill 2024 Hiping Hila Blaze Sahira Shorkar with 2024 to 25 grants request Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Namisang Haira Minister D.H. Basanta Kumar Nala Manipur State Legal Services Authority 2018 to 2022 with separate audit report Misang Haira Latluida Ajiwi Kamadaya Baobing District Administration Nathanda Ukruli Community Participation Week Makok Mi Haira Itumi Abam hi Shinao Gala National Being Safe Kasa Abam Ngasa Kawai Kasat Haira Manipur Relief Camps li Leida Klebing Shim Hanung Kawai Shorgar li Kangakaw Rayli Zat Haira Rayli Janbao Ki Kawai Zat Kasa Bao Me Akali Police na Assault Sada Makhamaya Pongshok Haira Ajiwi Bao Hili Ngajangaira Bao Nganada Clay na Tum Psycho Rili Ringapagala Kamahaya Zimishong Saserano